Don't pay anybody for analytics. Don't pay anybody for SEO. Analytics is all about how well your website is performing. And I can check that myself. My website was designed by InterNetG's official vendor for website designs, and I get access to my own website analytics that I can check. I know if people are visiting my homepage. Yesterday, I had a ton of people visit my homepage. Where do they go after they visit the homepage? Well, it looks like most of them go to services and fees. That's a good thing. And then where do they go after that? They go to sample reports and my qualifications. And look, I got 3 new leads. I can even take a look to see what the buttons on my website are doing. I have a schedule now button and a services and fees button on my website. Looks like 19 people clicked the services and fees and 4 of them clicked schedule now. Awesome. That's analytics. If it's worth doing, it's worth measuring. You better be able to measure everything that's happening on your website. And I can even track website analytics on my phone. I'm in full control of my own website, and I can measure everything that my website is doing. I can even chat with every website visitor to schedule them with a click of a button. Don't pay anybody for analytics. InterNetG's official vendor for website designs is inspectorwebsitebuilder.com, and they include analytics with your website design. For details, go to natchi.org/website, natchi.org/website. Remember, if it's worth doing, it's worth measuring. Analytics.